We are really excited to announce that we've now integrated SUI on our platform. More importantly, we are one of the first few platforms that offer a true staking service, allowing you to earn yield on the SUI in an easy and convenient way. Hi, my name is Yanyi and I do product marketing at Bake. In this video, we're going to cover what SUI is, what are its use cases, and how you can generate yield on it. So let's get started. What is SUI? SUI is the native token of the SUI blockchain, a new project in the crypto space which launched its mainnet recently on May 3, 2023. It's a layer 1 blockchain that focuses on reducing latency in the time it takes to execute smart contracts. It makes use of a new programming language, Move, to provide high-speed transactions, instant processing, and scalability. SUI sets itself apart from earlier blockchain ecosystems by allowing parallel processing of transactions and horizontal scaling, which allows it to maintain low transaction costs. What are the use cases for SUI? Well, it's a versatile token and is well positioned for use in DeFi, NFTs, supply chain management, and P2P payments. So one of SUI's biggest innovations is that it offers parallel transactions, meaning that it can process multiple transactions simultaneously compared to other blockchains like Ethereum that has to process transactions one at a time. This allows for horizontal scaling, keeping fees low even if demand spikes. It's able to process more than 100,000 transactions per second. So consider holding some SUI if you believe in the potential of Web3, the SUI blockchain, or its potential to grow in utility and value over the long term. Why did Bake list SUI? Simply put, we want to provide our users more flexibility and cryptocurrency options to earn from. We constantly try to look for new ways to let our users earn competitive yields on their crypto holdings, and we believe that SUI has the potential to benefit our users in their financial journey. How can you generate yield on SUI? To earn competitive rewards on your SUI, all you have to do is deposit the tokens onto a staking service where you'll be letting your crypto tokens work for you. As with other tokens on our platform, you have total control over your assets. You can choose between fixed or flexible staking. With flexible staking, choose to allocate or deallocate at any time. And with fixed staking, you can earn much higher APYs. And on top of that, your rewards are paid out in kind every 12 hours. That brings us to the end of this video. We're always looking for innovative ways to bring you more value, and we hope that with the listing of SUI on our platform, it will give you a little bit more flexibility to help you diversify your portfolio and amplify your earnings. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Enjoyed the video? Hit the like button and subscribe to us for more crypto content. See you in the next video. Bye!